Hi students, in this video we're going to be walking through the Blackboard site for General Biology 2. And I'm going to be showing and then explaining the links that will be important for you all to access information, to access assignments, and to upload them as well. So with that, I assume you have already found Blackboard, but just in case you haven't, you would click on, you would first go to the North Dakota State University website, ndsu.edu, and then you would click on the link that says undergraduate students. And within this link, here at the top of the page, you should find a link that says Blackboard. If you click on this, it should take you to a login site where you would log in to Blackboard using your username and password. I'm already logged into Blackboard at this point, and I think Blackboard is a little bit different for faculty and staff. In either case, under a section called My Courses, you should find General Biology 2. It's titled 143-NDSU-17127, General Bio 2. Now, if you go to this website, you should be able to then see everything on the course will be administered through this Blackboard site. So in the various links here, you'll find videos of myself to you and videos of my lectures and course assignments, although they will release in a time-dependent manner. So you won't have access to all of the information at once until the very end of the course. So with that, when you go to the course website, the first thing that should pop up on the first page are announcements. I already have week 1 announcements up here. The announcements will release at least once a week. Each announcement will be the way that I communicate what your assignment is for that week. It should be the first thing you see. I believe that if I also post an announcement, it will email you all, but just in case it doesn't, you should log in at least once a week, and it would be preferable to do so towards the beginning of the week so that you can see the latest information for the classroom. Okay. Now, if we look over here on the left side of the web page, you should see a bunch of links related to course information, announcements, contacts, course content, etc. On the left side here, I have a little additional section for course management. I don't think you all will be able to see that. Now, in these various links, you should find all of the information for the class. So if we click on announcements, this will take you to a web page with just the announcements visible. Under course information, if we click on this web page, you should find documents and announcements that will address course issues overall and sort of give the main framework for the course. So here is where you will find the course syllabus, and you'll also find the course schedule. And what's really neat about this is if you open these up, these will open right in Blackboard, or you can download them. So it's up to you what you would like. So I have the course syllabus here. You can download and view this if you would like, print it out. It would be very helpful. And then I also have a course schedule, which gives a sort of a week-to-week coverage of the topics that we're going to be covering, and also when each module will be available, as well as the exam for each module. But I'll get to that in a separate lecture. We'll go over the syllabus itself in a different video. Under course contacts, you'll find contact information for me. I would prefer to be emailed if you have concerns that only really apply to you. If you have a concern that applies to the whole class, you can post it under discussion board. I will start a discussion at a later point that is just there for questions. In this class, we'll also have a learning assistant, Nicole Schneider. She is here to assist you guys in the classroom and assist me in administering the class. And so her email contact is here. And again, you should only email her if you have concerns that only really apply to you. Under course content, you guys won't be able to see all of this course content all at the same time, but this is where you'll find the lectures and the lecture assignments that go with sort of each module, and you'll see the module outline when you look at the syllabus. We'll be starting with Module 0, and so that's actually where you'll find this lecture. And within this, you'll find all of the content related to the introduction to the course, me, and your fellow students. Under assignments, this is where you guys will actually find both your portfolio assignments, and I'll explain what that is in the syllabus, and also your examinations. These things will be due in a sort of time-dependent manner, and examinations will only be available for one single weekend at the end of each module. But as you can see in my view, I can see all of them, but for you guys, these will only unlock one at a time. So with that, that's where you'll find your assignments and where you'll actually turn in your assignments. Last, and I don't quite have this ready to go at the time of this recording, you'll find a discussion board. And so the discussion board we will use for both in-class discussions and also as a place where you can post questions that you believe apply to the class overall. So other students may be interested in the answers. For example, will we have a study session when an exam is approaching? And in that case, we'll start those discussions here. That way, we're not emailing like 40 people at once. Okay, so with that, I would encourage you to click around on the Blackboard website as you gain access to it. And if you have any concerns, you aren't able to see some content that you think should be there, then please let's use that discussion board and post it to there. And with that, we'll go ahead and move along to the next video.